Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to off blue ticks on WhatsApp. So let's start. It's super easy and I will make sure you get it right. Make sure to watch complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's start our video. First of all, open the WhatsApp chat. Now there is my WhatsApp app. We have to open our WhatsApp chat. There is a chat. I'm going to send any kind of message to him or her like this. There are two ticks in my chat. Now move back. There are three dots that is present upside in the corner. We have to click on that dots. Now there are so many options, but we have to go on the setting option, which is the last option, settings. Now there are so many options, which is business tools, account, privacy, avatar, chat, notification and storage and data. We have to go on a privacy one. Now there are so many options, but we have to go on read receipts. We have to off the option read receipts. Now move back. Now I'm going to send any kind of message. Now this message has been sent to your respective recipient, but these ticks were not going to show you blue tick. Thanks for watching. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more content. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.